Okay, welcome guys. We have Dolores Sanders, CEO and co-founder of TotalControlPro, and we're at the end of day 2 of the Advanced Engineering. Dolores, if you can kind of take us through the last 2 days and how you found it.
Absolutely, Al. We've got to the end. That's always a great thing to have achieved. Do you know, coming to Advanced Engineering is like coming home, really. We've been doing this show for so long now. It's so familiar. Really, so many friends that we meet up and have the opportunity to speak to. This year, the highlights have been, we did a fantastic Women in Manufacturing event, had some great networking in the VIP area with Silverstone Technology Cluster. And I met some amazing young engineers working with Southampton race team and in the Siemens side. I had some really great conversations with young female engineers, which was amazing. But also we've had some new customers come along, some existing customers come and see what we do. Today we had a really important session on the main stage about talking with one voice for SME manufacturing, headed up by Andy from Honed, calling for the manufacturing minister, and of course our friends from Connex, who have also had a great stand, and we've learned a lot about new innovations that are being brought together from that collaboration. We've made some new friendships thanks to the dinner, the socialising with STC last night, and some local business from the TC group who've always promoted what we do. So I think all in all, this year at the Advanced Engineering has been about communication, it's been about collaboration, and it's been about community. So getting those three things together has been absolutely awesome.
If you could leave the viewers with one thing from the show, what would that be?
Apart from the fact it's freezing. Bring another jumper. Oh goodness, one thing.
Come next year?
So yeah, we're booked and ready to come next year, expanding, and we're looking at actually bringing a couple of our partners on board with us at the stand next year, so we can show both the technical ecosystem to solve multiple different problems for manufacturers all in one place.